In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat PC. Dark mode on Snapchat PC is important primarily for reducing eye strain, especially during prolonged use or in low-light settings. It provides a more comfortable viewing experience by lowering screen brightness and creating a sleek, modern aesthetic. On your Snapchat homepage, simply click onto your profile icon on the upper left corner of the screen. You will want to select onto this very first option of theme. Now you can allow Snapchat to always follow your device theme or simply just click on Always Dark to turn on dark mode. When enabled, it also conserves battery power for devices with OLED screens. That's how easy it is to enable dark mode on Snapchat PC. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.